everybody, it's Lilianarowena, and today we are going to try out baking just a fun, very over-the-top recipe idea that I'm going to eat during my International Lolita Day meetup. So, without further ado, here we go. I set the oven to 350, and if this turns out well, I will write my modified recipe in the bottom. Okay, preheat oven with sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. So my very, very over-the-top idea for today is Peppermint Mocha strawberry, which might be too many flavors, but I want to try and see if it turns out well. One. Okay, there we go. That is so much sugar. Wait, how many cupcakes did this recipe say it was gonna make? Whoops! I'm making a lot of cupcakes! I might bring some over. It's too late now. I already put both cups of sugar in there. One and 3/4 cups of flour. Okay, 1 cup of flour. This is so much. 2. I can't remember. Y'all will know. I will not. It's okay. There we go. If the cupcakes come out a little too hard, I will know what happened. Great, what else goes in there? 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Oh wait, you do this all in one bowl. Ah, I should have put it in this bowl. This bowl will actually contain it. There we go. I'm so used to the 2 separate bowls. 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And it also said baking powder and salt. 2 teaspoons. It's a tablespoon, half a teaspoon. That would mean this is 1 teaspoon. Oh, it needs 2. Oh no, I got cocoa powder in there. That is unfortunate. There we go. I'm making a huge mess. I am not a neat person. the big rainbow whisk for this one. Hey, I could like maybe make a cake with this amount. Do I just all of a sudden want to make a cake? Maybe. I think I could. With the sheer amount of like a big nice one-layer cake. So like I don't know if I want to make 30 cupcakes. And cupcake and cake recipes are similar enough, I think. Maybe. We'll find out. I've already got so much. And that's only the dry ingredients. Great. Time to put the melted butter in. I'm like completely off camera. I'm putting 1 3/4 of a stick of butter in here. Chaos Bakery! This is absolutely not the correct way to make food. Also, let's try to clean up as we go here. I do have a meetup at 5 and more videos to film. I feel adorable. Alright, and we're back. The cake's not done yet, but I wanted to just, couldn't wait to work on the frosting. Oh, I have a timer for an auction going on right now. We need another timer. Okay. I did not read that I needed an electric mixer, but it's my cake. But if you're trying to make this, you should probably have an electric whip mixer. Probably make your life a lot easier. Also, gently incorporate the creamer at first. There we go. I think maybe I just need to like put it in the microwave to melt the last of the butter in there. Might not be a bad idea. Just trying to get the butter to be less lumpy. Oh well. Now I get to incorporate the strawberries in, because I changed my mind. I'm throwing the strawberries in if it's gonna be lumpy. Alright, let's incorporate ourselves some strawberries! Alrighty, so the cake cooled down and it immediately fell apart because it is a very moist cake. So this dessert has morphed multiple times. So now I'm just embracing the crumble and I'm just gonna pour the thing on top of it, and it's gonna be more of like a death by chocolate kind of thing, except it'll be like peppermint mocha with strawberries. The cake tastes amazing though. I will definitely share the cake recipe if y'all are more careful with your cakes and actually plan. I think if I'd had like an actual cake pan, it would have been fine, but it broke in half. Okay, and we're just pour that over it. Just gotta pour that over it. Just gotta mix it together. Use my rice paddle. Just kind of combine it at this point into a dessert of some sort. I don't even know what you're gonna call this anymore, but chaos baking. This is a crumble. I don't know what you would even call it at this point, but I know the cake is really good. And it smells really good. There we go. Alright, so just gotta try it. See if it came out good. Gonna grab a spoon. Right, let's see. It's a mess, but it is absolutely delicious. So I will write the whole recipe in the comments, and not in the comments, in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Here's my cake crumble. Have a great day. Bye-bye.